Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome to Drama YT. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about my top 10 Chinese dramas that are airing right now, which you guys should binge watch. All the timelines are mentioned in the description section below. Give this video a like and let's get straight into it. Number 10, Stray Birds, a youth inspirational drama about the struggles, love, life, and friendship among a group of rich and passionate young adults who try their best to change the pejorative label they have been given by the China society, rich second generation, into a positive one, a new second generation. Graduate student Wu Ye, rich second generation, Lin Shaoting and Xu Xiaoman participated in a large scale job fair and won NBI, that is, the IT company's internship qualification. Entering workplace, they face many challenges in a competitive environment and complex interpersonal relationships. As they work to prove their abilities, they also face pressure and test of love and friendship. Number 9. Never Say Goodbye. 3 years ago, police officer Liu Wanwen sends back wrong intelligence, seemingly causing the death of his fiancée and fellow police officer Rong Yu. He also loses a friend in Rong Yao, his brother-in-law to be, and the member of drug task force. Disheartened by all the events, Liu Wanwen resigns from his position and cuts off all contact. In the present time, Rong Yao has been promoted to the leader of the task force and is ordered to provide ongoing support and resources to the sole undercover operative in Group K, a drug cartel led by the spectre Mr. O. Turns out the undercover Mr. Singh is actually Liu Wanwen, and the pair must work together to bring back the criminals to justice. Number 8. The Trick of Life and Love. When you happen to save the man that annoyed you the most and he wakes up with an amnesia, what kind of love-hate relationship will it bring? Domineering CEO Ning Meng has a reputation for being a professor from the hell. After a mysterious car accident, he is saved by Li Xian, a person that he hasn't seen in years. They were enemies. She was a witty student and now an all-around secretary. So now the fun of the story begins. Number 7. Youth should be early. With graduation looming, university student Cheng Xin is convinced that her graduation ceremony would be the perfect time to propose to her boyfriend, Zheng Xian. Mustering up the courage to do just that, Cheng Xin proposes, but in an unexpected move, Zheng Xian rejects her. Feeling that he hasn't made any real accomplishments in his life or even career, Zheng Xian doesn't think that the time is right to even consider the marriage. Understanding where Zheng Xian is coming from, Cheng Xin offers to help him get a job at her family's company, but Zheng Xian's pride refused to allow him to accept. Rejecting a second time, Cheng Xin has no choice but to sit back and watch as Zheng Xian struggles to find a job. Just another face lost in the overwhelming swarm of new graduates clamoring for a job. Zheng Xian can't seem to catch a break. Hating to see her love suffer, Cheng Xin works behind the scenes, setting up an opportunity that is guaranteed to land Zheng Xian an ideal job. Soon, a new hire of the Tengda group, Zheng Xian, believes that he has finally caught a break. But when the truth behind his sudden bout of success is revealed, his world comes crashing down. Forced to resign, his professional reputation destroyed, and his heart in tatters. Zheng Xian feels as if he has been utterly defeated. Will he be able to find the strength to pick himself up and start again, or will the disappointment prove to be too much for him? Number 6. Truth or Dare. A story that follows two couples who mistakenly find themselves in a marriage they never expected and gradually grow in love and trust over time. The cheerful and clever Xiao Wanzi grew up as a street performer with her dad, selling their special skill of breaking a big stone on the chest. An unexpected encounter utterly changes Xiao Wanji's life. Xiao Wanji, who neither knew how to read nor write, suddenly finds herself becoming a princess. Opposed to marrying the princess, Mei Shanshao pushes Xiao Wanji away in hopes that she would willingly retreat. Meanwhile, the king has also arranged a marriage for Lu Yingyao. The daughter of the ninth prince, however, bandit Xiao Baiyu mistakenly takes her as his wife. Number 5. Tears in Heaven. Du Xiaoshu is a willful entertainment reporter who impersonates as a nurse and sneaked into a hospital ward to snap a high-rising star's photo after a car accident. She bumps into Sao Zerong, a suave doctor on duty that begins their bittersweet love relationship. Du Xiaoshu met Sao Zerong's family to discuss their marriage and realize to her horror. Sao Zerong's second brother, Liu Zeng, is none other than the guy who had a one night stand with her years ago. Much to Du Xiaoxun's dismay, Liu Zeng forbade her relationship with Sao Zerong. During an earthquake rescue mission, Sao Zerong had a mishap and lost his life. As time goes by, Liu Zeng finds it more difficult to resist his feelings for Du Xiaoshu and realized that he had fallen in love with her right from the beginning. Will Du Xiaoshu ever forget Sao Zerong and learn to accept Liu Zeng? Number 4. The Day of Becoming You. The leader of a boy band and entertainment reporter are forced into many outrageous situations after they switched bodies. Zhang Yi is a big star in the entertainment industry. He is the cold and distant leader of a popular boy band, but in reality, he is simply not good at expressing himself ever since his parents divorced when he was young. Meanwhile, Yu Xingxing has become an entertainment reporter who keeps running up against a stone wall at work. Their lives were not meant to intersect, but an accident results in the two exchanging bodies on their birthday, which happens to fall on the same day. The sudden change catch them off guard, and with only each other to turn to for support in the days and nights that followed, Zhang Yi and Yu Shengsheng gradually fall in love. Number 3. Ancient Love Poetry. It follows Sango, once a leader of the four immortals, who falls into a deep sleep after sacrificing herself in a trial that lasted 60,000 years. Sango wakes up many years later, and memories of what happened 300 years ago were completely wiped. But her former lover, Bai Zoe, never forget about her. Sacrificing his reincarnation for her life, he waited for her for 60,000 years. Even when his soul disappears, Sango will wait for him forever. Number 2. My Dear Guardian. A story that follows a warm and gentle military medic and the Ice Mountain military officer as they fulfill their duties and also find love. Was it being rescued from the bandits, or was it from constantly seeing each other under one roof? Love enters when you least expect it. Shaju is a surgeon whose experiences have allowed her to stay calm in the face of life and death situations. Liang Muzi is a special military officer who has fought on many battlefields. He has closed off his heart due to painful memories from the past. Number 1. Falling into your smile. Student Tong Yao makes two vows: to never be in a relationship with someone in the same field and to make up for the Chinese League of Legends. When Tong Yao earns her spot as the first formal female player in the China's professional league, she catches the attention of an elite team captain. Facing doubts and inconveniences, she meets each challenge with her own persistence and her teammates' support. After much effort, what will become of her vows? Will she stand on the world stage to make up for the 6 years of regret? Will she avoid a romantic entanglement within the e-sport world? So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.